Hi, Brian and Hazel here, and I think you're starting to see an evolution. An evolution in that the days of being able to run 1 to 2, 3 trucks out of your back pocket or off of your kitchen table are over. I think it's time to rethink that model as you have to evolve with where we are right now. Every little repair is no less than $500. Everything's, no matter what, it's $500, $1,000, just a minimum. So when you're thinking of what it really costs to do that these days, you can't only calculate your increased expenses with your truck and equipment. You're going to notice how your home expenses start to creep up. So it's really better to try to get ahead of it than playing catch up. Getting ahead of it is already establishing a financial life raft. These programs have not always been available. In fact, initially, when I started in trucking, nothing like this was available. But at the same time, everything wasn't $500 to $1,000 at a minimum. At any rate, it is the smartest thing to do with what you see in terms of the changing markets, where we don't know where diesel fuel is going to be in the near future. If you're trying to hold on to your equipment, it's best to have a life raft. I'm going to tell you, I think on the other side of this, it's really going to be better than maybe it hasn't been. But unless you can hold on, you're not going to be able to enjoy when the market changes. Thank you.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.